Good morning, it's Monday, 29th of October, 6:50 UK time, and I'm just gonna go through what we had planned for Friday versus what happened and the plan for today. This is the plan for Friday. I was expecting a lower. Scenario 1 was a test to the LVN, sell off to the template days low together with the LVN and turn higher. Scenario 2 was test to the edge of the range and continue higher to the VPOC. 3 and 4 were respectively trends up and down. This is what happened. This is Friday's day. We opened. My expectation was for a test to the LVN area and then to turn lower. The template days low at 377. It's the lowest low in August that day. And then below that we really go back to, I think it's May 2017, year and a half back. So we briefly did no, we didn't. We stayed within the August range by a few ticks. So yeah, we tested the August low basically, and we extended to the upside massively to the rate of 86 points. And that happened after 1:30, 1:15, after the GDP announcement, and we had this massive surge in the euro. And we finished right at the balanced areas VPOC at 454. We formed a neutral extreme day. The IB was very narrow, and oops. This is Friday. The IB was only around 19 ticks, points, 38 ticks. And we didn't really, I was expecting to turn at the LVN, and we turned just below the closing swing high. It was a very slow trade. Did a triple bottom and one ticked the IB low. We attempted higher again, couldn't take the previous high out, and sold off to the downside as per my scenario 1. Then on the news it balanced heavily, and without taking out the August low, just hovering above it, it slightly going up with some big leaps, impulsive moves of 30 points, 20, and smaller ones. One big impulse to the downside, didn't even have an extension, and we resumed the uptrend, close at the highs. So very bullish action in the afternoon Friday. We have a triple distribution, which leads me to today's plans. Scenario 1, as we will open it around 435.6, around here. So my expectation is really we're opening on the HVA and we're opening in the area of the VPOC, so choppy two-sided action. And then my expectation is for a test lower to around this divot in the 430 area in the profile, and continuation to the upside. Test the previous day's high. Like so. Get to the HVN. At 497 balance, and on the upside my targets are 508 and 514. So I expect to test this high. There's that's at 479, and then I expect to test the HVN at 497 and chop around here. And extend to this HVN here, which is at 508 and 514 as the highest point. Scenario 1. Scenario 2. That's the opposite. We open here. We'll test to the upside as high as Thursday's high. Again 479. We have a single print a bit higher, but that's too far out. On the weekly single print at 487, so somewhere here. So I don't expect it to get as high as this. And having tested above the range, fall back into the range. Balance. And the VPOC, there's the open. Test the LVN. Previous day's LVN at 431. And then, having tested that, we test the VPOG below us. VPOG was at 414. There it is, we test the VPOG balance. And the lowest I expect to go to on that scenario is 409, which is this LVN here, more than previous days, high below. And then balance in the close. So that's scenario 2. So test to the previous day's high and retrace the profile from Friday. Going as low as the LVN at 409. So these are my scenarios for today, and we'll do it again tomorrow.